How to fix Google Messages RCS stuck on setting up or verifying on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get RCS chats working properly again. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick panel and make sure mobile data is turned on. After that, go to your home screen and long press on the Messages app icon and tap App Info. From there, tap Force Stop and confirm. Sometimes the app gets stuck running in the background, and this clears it out completely. At this point, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted data that may be causing the verification to get stuck. In the next step, go back to your home screen and open the Messages app. Following this, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once done, tap on Messages settings at the bottom of the menu that appears. From here, tap on RCS Chats at the top of the settings page. At this stage, tap the toggle at the top to make sure Turn on RCS Chats is enabled. After this, you'll see your available carriers listed below. Tap the checkbox next to your carrier to select it. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device boots back up, RCS should be fully set up and working. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the RCS setup issue on Google Messages on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.